Every time you pay for convenience, you sign a micro-lease on your financial independence. When a $7 delivery fee and a service markup are tacked onto a $20 meal, you aren't paying for food. You are paying a 60% premium to avoid basic operational effort. This isn't a lack of income. It's a systematic failure of capital discipline, allowing small, recurring leaks to compound faster than fixed liabilities. That drain continues through engineered obsolescence, where minor, iterative firmware upgrades are marketed as essential lifestyle advancements. Trading a fully functional $1,000 device for a marginal performance boost creates a continuous capital destruction loop with effectively zero gain in productivity. Once your capital is tied up in depreciating hardware, retailers pivot to exploiting your emotional resolve through long-term recurring commitments. Every January, subscription-based businesses capitalize on a predictable spike in psychological resolve by locking consumers into gym memberships and software platforms. These commercial models rely entirely on a massive drop-off rate, banking on the fact that most members will stop showing up, while their automated payments continue to fund the infrastructure. Using financial commitments as a substitute for behavioral discipline creates a hollow balance sheet that serves a corporate fault rather than your own growth. Retailers reinforce this strain by using volume pricing and clearance racks to convince you that an unwanted item is a smart value move. Stockpiling perishable or low-use items doesn't create efficiency. It simply turns your home into a stagnant warehouse for consumer goods that you haven't even used yet. Wealthy operators avoid this stagnation by running lean systems, freeing up the capital required to fuel the second pillar of wealth building. The delivery fees, the unread subscriptions, and the status-driven upgrades are all direct subtractions from your future independence. If you refuse to plug these operational leaks today, you will spend the next 20 years earning money simply to fund unnecessary consumer habits. But when you systematically retain that capital, you gain the leverage to move beyond mere saving. Subscribe to the Money Formula to see the exact asset allocation framework the top 1% use to turn retained capital into compounding wealth. And comment below with the primary habit you're cutting this week.